We need a justice system that completes cases and delivers decisions with due expedition. Speedy court decisions can have significant and needed economic benefits. Plea bargaining is beneficial in many ways, reducing the cost of trials and demands on an overburdened court system, conserving the time of judges, the courts, and the prosecutors. Victims are spared the trauma of reliving the experience in court.
Not every applicant who applies to be a JP will be accepted. We have to make sure that there are persons of unquestionable integrity, good character, and persons who will not only volunteer, but are community-minded persons.
If a person is to be detained, the police will have to convince the JP that this person is suspected. And if the JP disagrees, the man must be released. If the JP agrees, within 24 hours, that person must be taken before a parish judge. We hope to have the necessary constitutional changes to allow retired judges to act on an as-needed basis, to assist with the timely completion of the probate, divorce, and the many other pending matters. I am proud to say that this facility, which is the new home of the coroners and special coroners courts, is really well appointed, has adequate space, and has completely new furnishings. We are bringing these centers to you so that if there are problems, you can utilize them so that peace can reign across these communities and across Jamaica. The relevant audiovisual infrastructure is being installed in the courts across the island to relieve the judges of taking evidence by longhand. The evidence will be readily available and thumb drives to make the process of completion of cases and preparation of judgments easier. I say, I expect improvement, improvement, improvement. We need a timely disposal of criminal cases. I have said that we want to put in place and utilize what the Chief Justice has introduced, sentence reduction.
From time to time over the years, requests have been made for statistics, and we have not been in a position to provide them. And so, this significant progress that we have made in centralizing the court statistics is remarkable.
In truth, every stakeholder in the justice system needs to start thinking outside the box. We have to find ways and means to make justice a priority, easily accessible and readily delivered in a timely manner. With our crime problem, swift and predictable justice can be the most powerful deterrent to crime.